who's leader of the house, is now saying that it is a waste of time. This aspiration of Goans is because they are feeling that they should protect the land which is fast going out from their hands. It's a genuine aspiration of people of Goa. And when Chief Minister says that it is a waste of time, Goans are today saying that giving BJP mandate was a wasted mandate. Because on every issue they are doing U-turns, on every issue they are faltering, on every issue they are giving excuses over excuses. This U-turn on special status is probably the U-turn of the century, because there hardly can be a situation where Assembly has passed a unanimous resolution moved by the BJP government. The entire house has passed that resolution unanimously, and now the Chief Minister says that chasing special status is a waste of time. Isn't there any sanctity to our legislature? Isn't there any sanctity to our legislature? Because they have passed a unanimous resolution. Inasmuch as you see what the BJP is trying to advocate, marinas, special, seaplanes, amphibian vehicles, it is very clear that BJP's policies are destroying the identity of Goa, and this land grab that is going on, BJP is in no mood to stop that. What they promised the people, they have taken back those words, only making it clear that their statements were intended to fool the people of the state.